Alright, finance question. How much time would it take for initial investment of $3,500 to double if invested in an account with continuous interest rate? So as I read this, I have a lot of good information. First off, continuous. That tells me I want to use my formula. A equals P times E raised to the RT. All that from the word here, continuous. As I continue reading, I have initial investment of $3,500. That is my P. That's my initial amount. And I want to double it. Well, when I double things, I multiply them times 2. So my initial amount was $3,500. And if I multiply that times 2, I will have $7,000. This will be my A. That's my future value. That's the amount I want to have in the future. And my interest rate, 6.75 as a decimal. So that means I have to move my decimal place over 2 spots, which will give me 0.0675 as my R. Well, now I have identified my R, my P, and my A. I can plug in directly into my formula. A being my future value of $7,000 equals P, my principal, my initial value of $3,500 times E raised to the power of RT. So that would be 0.0675. My pen to right times T, and that's what I'm actually solving for here. So I'm solving for T. So in order to solve for T, I need to isolate my exponential piece. My exponential piece is my exponent and my base. So base exponent, I need to isolate that. 3,500 is multiplying, so I'm going to divide it away. That's going to cancel there. Divide this by 3,500. And we should already know that this is 2 because we did that when we doubled this over here. So 2 equals E raised to my rate of 0.0675 T. Again, I am trying to solve for T right here. So to do that, I have to bring T down to the regular playing field. T's in the exponent position. So I have to get rid of my exponent's base. The inverse of E is the natural log. So I'm going to go ln of E. ln of E cancels and leaves me with the exponent. 0.0675 times T. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. So I take the natural log of the other side. So ln of 2 equals that. To solve for T, I divide by the decimal both sides. And that'll cancel and leave me T over here. Over here on this side, ln of 2 divided by 0.0675. And we can put that into our calculator now and see how that goes. So I've got the ln of 2. Close that up. Divided by the decimal, which is our interest rate. 0.0675. And hit enter. And I got 10.268 years. So we'll say 10.27 years. So 10.27 years. And we'll finish this up with a nice little sentence. in 10.27 years, my investment would double. There we go. I hope that helps.